Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do a 30-minute beginner shoulder workout. Starting out with our first superset, we have a close grip overhead press, where we're going to take the dumbbells, put them close together like this, bring them right up in front of our body, right under our chin, keeping our shoulder blades pinched together, core tight. Let's lift them right overhead. And bring your head into the center. And then from here, right into the overhead lateral raise. For our overhead lateral raise, we're going to start out with our palms out. From here, we're going to take the dumbbells straight out over top, right to here. Bring them back down. If you ever have any pain, you have to lower the weight. This should not be pain. It should be a lighter weight. An exercise is kind of just going through the range of motion right here. For this next superset of exercises, we're going to have the hammer front raises, and we're going to have bent over reverse fly. For the hammer front raises, let's stand straight up, keep our shoulder blades pinched together, that way we have a nice straight back, core tight, and then just like a hammer curl, how you would hold the dumbbell like this, you're going to come straight up, right to about chin height, and back down. Then for our dumbbell reverse fly, we're gonna push our hips back until we get into more of a parallel position with our back to the ground. And then from here, pinching our shoulder blades together and lifting straight up. For our next superset, we're gonna have the dumbbell one-arm push press and a resistance band face pull. For the dumbbell one-arm push press, we're going to stand straight up with the dumbbell in a shoulder press position. From here, we're going to put a slight bend in the knee, not even down to a half squat, just a slight bend in the knee. From here, explode up, drive through the weight, and finish here. Lower the weight back down slow, and then restart from straight. This isn't like one continuous motion. It's slight bend, explode up, bring it down. Slight bend, explode up, bring it down. And now for our resistance band face pull, we want to receive resistance from two different ways. From the band this way and the band this way. So now we're going to pull in and pull out at the same time right here with our elbows wide and then back in. Keep tension the whole time and make sure you're pulling out just as much as you're pulling to you. Now there's a quick tutorial of our 30-minute beginner shoulder workout. If you like the video or learn anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. 30-minute beginner shoulder workout, throw it in your routine and let me know what you think.